did all these today, and if you'd like to know how I did it, then carry on watching, because all will be revealed. And I've gone ahead and I've made some flat basic backgrounds for what I'm going to do next. I've not filmed it. If you don't know how to make a plain background on a jelly plate, just have a look at lots of my other videos and that'll show you exactly how to do it. These are new stencils and I thought I would break these out and see what I can do with these as well. Let's get going with this. And I'll start with the gold one first, and I'm going to put a bronze on top, so let's put some bronze on here. And I'll go with this geometric shape first. So there's the first one. That's rather nice. Get rid of these bits and pieces here if I can. So this is the ghost print. I'm going to write ghost on this one. I'm going to put first pull on gold. Let's try the bronze now, and I'll put a gold on top. I'll use the same stencil. I think that the problem is when you work on a big plate and you go to a small plate, you still try and put the same amount of paint on. Well, at least I do anyway. So for the first few times it gets a little bit too heavy on the plate. Let's try that there like that. Get another bronze. Try and line it up a little bit better this time. See how I do it. Again, that's really rather nice, very subtle. Okay. So those are rather nice, aren't they? So we're using, today I'm using gold and bronze, and two new stencils. So this is the end of part one, and you've seen how simple metallic prints can be. If you'd like to take it further and expand on this exciting use of metallic paints, then part two will be coming soon, where I deepen the layers and the effects that you can achieve with these lovely paints.